In sight in the Karnataka deadlock, sources saying that the BJP top brass may ask Yediyurappa to quit if mining report from Justice Santosh Hegde that is going to be tabled tomorrow does indict him. Sources say BJP and Yediyurappa are trying to reach a compromise formula and that Yediyurappa wants only the candidate who has his approval to take over from him. In any other instance, he says he is going to dissolve the assembly.
And again, if necessary, tomorrow we will meet about the report and we will go through, then we will take appropriate decision.
So will you be meeting Santosh Hegde and discuss this with him?
After giving the report, naturally I must go and meet all our Santosh Hegde ji, all other important persons, because I am meeting for one purpose. Santosh Hegde ji, after giving the report, there was telephone tapping. He may be knowing so many other things. I want to know all the details about him, and I want to convey these things to the Prime Minister of India as early as possible. Inquiry should be conducted, so the truth should come out. I am going to meet L.K. Advani ji, Sushma Swaraj, Jaitley Sahab, or Arun Jain, All India President Nitin Gadkari ji, after the receiving the report.
And Ram now joining us with more on the story. Ram, we hear that a compromise formula is being worked out. What are the terms of this formula?
Well, the crisis in the BJP is now getting only more interesting here in Karnataka. One thing which we have to understand here, that for B.S. Yediyurappa, the enemies are within. More than the opposition from the Congress and the JDS, both at the state level and the national level, the main problem which he is facing, the main opposition which he is facing, is from people within his party, the rival factions within his party. There is news coming out. There are several senior leaders in the party who believe that for the sake of the corruption battle against the Congress and against the UPA, which the BJP has taken upon itself, some kind of an action will have to be taken against B.S. Yediyurappa. But B.S. Yediyurappa is putting up a very, very strong face. Yesterday, he met with all his own MLAs and several MPs, and he garnered support against them. Today, he met Jagdish Shettar, the Rural Development Minister. He met Ishwarappa, the state BJP President, and other people who are believed to be in the rival factions of the BJP here, and try to garner support them as well. Is there a compromise formula which is being worked out now? Is what which is doing the rounds? Is, if at all, the BJP leadership like of Nitin Gadkari or L.K. Advani does take the decision that he has to step down, then will they elect or appoint someone with the blessing of B.S. Yediyurappa? Is that kind of a compromise which is being worked out now is what is doing the rounds? But in a public manner, B.S. Yediyurappa spoke to us. He was very, very clear yet again that he will remain the Chief Minister for the next 2 years. He will not step down. So we will have to clearly wait and watch tomorrow, supposedly when, expectedly when the report will be submitted. What exactly is written in the report? What kind of action has been recommended, or what kind of indication the report gives? We will have to, based on that, the BJP leadership will take a final call, and then we will have to see how this entire crisis pans out. But we can say at this point in time, it is not going to be easy for the BJP to make Yediyurappa step down, even if they do appoint someone with Yediyurappa's blessing.
Absolutely. Ram, stay with us. We'll come back to you. Dhanya Rajendra in the meantime also joining us now. Dhanya, how do you see the matter panning out from here? Yediyurappa has made it very clear he's going to dissolve the assembly if there is any attempt to replace him with someone he doesn't approve of.
Well, Deep, that's what B.S. Yediyurappa has been telling the BJP's top brass. What we've learned is that he's categorical, that he does not want to resign as the Chief Minister. In fact, he's conveyed to the BJP's top brass that if he's forced to resign as the Chief Minister, then he would rather prefer dissolving the Assembly. That's something which the BJP does not want. They do not want to sacrifice their only government in the south of India. So really a consensus candidate is being worked out. There are hectic talks happening between Yediyurappa's factions and other factions in the BJP, but it's not going to be an easy job for the BJP, Deep, because there are too many factions here. There are many people who are against Yediyurappa, so they are not agreeable to any candidate whom he suggests. So really the factionalism in the BJP in Karnataka coming to the fore once again.